Arrivederci.
Your favorite place?
It's not.
Neither
one of them, actually.
IKEA in Italy.
Actually, that one over there is my favorite place.
On a Monday rainy day. Here we go.
It's a Decathlon Sports. That's my favorite place.
Yeah. One down, one to go. What we got? Wood?
Wood.
To make the wall.
Huh?
To make a wall on the third floor.
Third floor and
baseboards.
and baseboards.
$21 a pack.
Yep.
Pretty good.
Yep.
Off we go. It's just another manic Monday. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, honey. Here we go again.
We're at it again.
We got all the wood. Not all the wood.
For one room.
Some of the wood. Stay tuned. Ciao.